Everybody is present over there. My screen is visible. Oh my God. I hope something is missing. So yes, we were studying this program in which what we have to do is we have to use the five data in 5 consecutive memory location. We have to add them, and then we have to store the result in next memory location, right? So this was the problem of that, and the main crux of this is, since the result is supposed to come more than say 8 bits, so it is 16 bits. So the concept that I have told you in the earlier class, that for addition we have to make some arrangement to store a carry. Even if you have an addition of maximum 2-bit number of any number system, there is only one carry, right? So we are going to use that concept, and for that what we have started with is LXI H6500. So we will also start to write this. 600 is the first memory location. We have to put their opcodes. So with the opcodes are 21, 00, 60 are the opcodes of this. So I have used 3 in a row, but you have to write it in the serial order. So I am using this. So it will require 3 memory locations, 600, 01 and 02. So the next memory location will be 6003, right? So LXI H65. So the first we have stored the memory location address in HL pair so that we can use the memory related instruction, right? So I have used that. Now the next instruction that I'm going to use is the setting of a register to save a carry. So I have used this register C to store the carry. So MVI C is having opcode 0E. So 0E is the opcode and 00 is the data. So I have reset the register C to store the carry, right? Then we are using 6004, and here we are using another register, that is register B, to store put a counter over there for the process, that will be required for 4 steps, 4 additions. So we will put that counter. Since there are 5 memory locations and the first memory location is already being used, first content of memory location is already is over there, so I am just putting it 4. Since we have to add 5, so we will make it in loop, right? So this is MVI B04. This is for loop. The opcode is MVI B opcode is 06. 06 is the opcode and 04 is the data. So again, it will require 03, 04, and the next will come at 05, 06, and 06, right? Then we are having the next at 05, 06, and 007. So now what I will do, I will move the first data in register A. So I will move this first data MOV, move M to A, memory to accumulator in so move from A to M, that is 7E is the opcode. So only 1 byte data is there, so only 1 memory location will be required. So the first data is being moved over there. Now for the second data, that is 6008, I will use INX H. So increment H. Now the next memory address 6501 will come and we will add them. So I will use that. The instruction is 23 at 6009. What I will do, I will write add M. So now the memory, the content of memory location specified by HL pair is being added with the contents of the accumulator, right? तो अगर इसमें ये ऐड हो गया और अब अगर मान लो कैरी है, तो कैरी जो है उसको सेव करना है, राइट? तो मैं क्या करूंगा, एक लूप बनाऊंगा. तो आई विल यूज दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन जंप इफ नॉट कैरी. अगर कैरी नहीं है तो जंप करो. कहाँ जंप करो? नेक्स्ट मेमोरी लोकेशन में. अगर कैरी है If else there is a carry, then increment register C. So increment register C, right? तो इसके मेमोरी लोकेशंस हम लोग लिखने वाले हैं, अभी हम लोग पुट कर लेंगे, बाद में हम लोग इसके लिखेंगे क्योंकि ये आने वाली. सो एड एम आ गया है 6009 पर, यहाँ आया है. सो एड एम का ऑपकोड है 86. सो मैं यहाँ 86 लिखता हूँ, एक ऑपकोड. जंप इफ नॉट कैरी का अभी हम लोगों ने यूज किया था, जंप इफ नॉट कैरी, द ऑपकोड इज D2. So D2 is over there, and then we have to write two memory location. I am leaving that space, and I will come back there to write this. So I will just mention 6009, 600A, 600B. The next instruction will be 600C, right? So increment C will come at this place. Then what we have to do is we have to decrement the count. So DCRC. So INRC is 0C. The opcode is 0C, right? So this is there. So 0C. Then the next instruction will come to 600D, right? So this memory location address is to be given over there in the jump because it is jumping in the forward direction. So I will write some is over there. So I will write FOR, that is forward. This is for label. So this is a label. So this label I will put over here, the next. So FOR, this is a label over there. So this jump is carrying over here. So not here. In this FOR, here it is going to jump, right, at DCR B. So we have decrement the count by 1, means one step has been completed. We will check whether all the addition is being completed or not. If it is not complete, then what we will do is, yes, just hold it for a second. Yes, if it is not complete, then what we will do, we'll put to check. So jump if not 0. Jump if not 0. Where we are going to jump? We are going jump A here in the next. So we will write here back, BACK. And here we will put a loop. So I hope this is 6007, this is 6008, and this is 6009, and this is 600C 9. This is 9, and this is 600A, I hope. So we have again misplaced the accounts over here. So let me check. Right. So this will come at 6009 add M, right? And that is only 1 byte. So we will have next instruction 600A. So this is A, this is B, this is C. So the next instruction memory location will be 600BC B. So this is A, this is B, this is C, right? So that is over there. Then yes, hold it for a second. This is over there. Yes, okay. So 600D will be increment C, and then next will be 600E. Yes, 600E will be the DCRB will come over there. So memory location 600E. So we have to write this memory location over there. So I will now put this, that is 0, jump to there 600E, right? So 0E 60. So this is written 60 over there. 0E 600. I will write 0E 60, right? So this is where this is a forward jump and this is the back jump. So we will write here back, BACK, right? So this is the jump. So JNZ is, yes, C2, DCRB is 05. Then we will have JNZ back, that is C2, and the memory location is, yes, 0960, right? So we have completed all. It will move in a loop. It will add, and then what we have to do, the first lower order data is being stored in accumulator. Higher order data is stored in register C. So what I will do, I will just increment it. So I will have 600F F 1011, right? So I will have next as 6012. So 0F के बाद आता है 10, फिर आता है 11 और उसके बाद है 12. So what I will do, I will increment INXH. I will move the data, say the accumulator A to M. Again, I will INXH, and I will move the second data, that is move from C to M, right? And then I will halt. So likewise, we can put this instructions over there, and we can have. So give me a moment. Yes. So we have written over the here now. So jump if not 0, then we have to jump it to forward. So forward might be, sorry, no, this is back. So this is back, BACK. So we have to jump here at this position. So I will write here back. So this is one label, and this is the another jump. Yes, jump if not carry. This is the forward jump. So I will write here forward, and I will jump over here. So this is forward, FORW. Yes. So these are the two jumps here, from here to here, and from this jump to the back, right? So we'll specify the memory location over there. So we have to jump at this position, that is 0E. Sorry. Yes, 0E. Right. So 0E, I will write here 0E 60. I hope it is visible. So 0E 60 is there. Then this is forward, and for back we have to write this memory location, that is C20960, and this it starts from 0F 1011. Next is 12, that is increment H. So we will increment this. So the next memory location will come 05. We'll store the first data, that is move A to M. So MA move M. A to M is 7E. So I will write here the opcode, right? So this is 7E. Then increment H, again 6006. Now we have to move the next data, that is 06515. That is move from C to M. So we are storing the carries which are generated over there. So C to M. Yes, for a second. M to C to M is 71. So 71, and the last that will come is 6016. That will be halt. So this is a program that is 76, right? So 76 is written in the last. I hope it is visible now. So this is the whole program of addition of 5 numbers which are stored in the memory location. And since the result is supposed to be more than 8 bits, so we have made an arrangement that we have given one register to store a carry. Even if maximum numbers are being added, the carry is 1. So we can use this program to add consecutive 5 numbers which are stored in the memory location, right? So this was the program that we were studying. With that note, I thank you all for viewing this video. Kindly view it, like it, and subscribe my channel. And I thank you for patience listening. So I hope you have understood this program, and we will again repeat it for you for a moment, just for a second. So what we have done, we have just put the HL pair loaded with the memory location starting address 6500 over here. Then we have taken this register to store the carry. We have taken register B for the counter. We have moved the first data in accumulator incremented the register pair, so it will come to 6501. Then we have added this data 1A with E6, and we have checked the whether there is carry or not. If there is no carry, then it will jump over here. If else there is a carry, then the register will increase. The register C will increase. So content of register C was earlier it was 0. Now it will increase to 1. So it will be 0, 1, right? And the result is stored in the accumulator. We will decrement the count. So it is 3 now. Now we have, if it is not 0, then it will jump to back. So it will again go to add. I hope it should be increment H and then add, right? So I will just move this. So yes, so it should be back over here. So this is 08. So I will have to change here also. So this is 08 now, right? So it will jump to increment H. It will again increment. So the next data will appear 10, and then it will go on adding, right? So likewise, it will proceed and it will continue up to the last content of data is being added. And as soon as it adds and the counter becomes 0, it will come out of the loop. Then what we have to do is we have to increment the memory location 6005. Here we are going to store the lower order result, that is in accumulator. So we are storing there 1 byte. Again we will increment. We will move to 6506, and then we will move the carried portion or a higher order result of C to the memory location, and then we will halt. So this is the program to store the to add 5 consecutive contents of memory location, and we have to store in the next memory location. So thank you very much for listening. I hope you have understood this program, and even if you have not understood, you can go through my video. Thank you very much for patience listening. And lastly, stay home, stay safe, and take care. See you soon. Yes, see you soon. Bye. See you.